The Pixel Buds Pro are priced at $199. For that price, they are competing against the Sony WF-1000XM4 and the newly launched Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Both of those cost a bit more at $230, but both also have previous generation models that cost significantly less these days and have a similar feature set. The Pixel Buds Pro have a few things going for them. I liked how well the case is designed and built. The audio quality is good enough for the average users and on par with the best that is available among wireless earbuds, and the battery life is excellent. On the other hand, the active noise cancelling and transparency mode performance is above average at best. The microphone quality is also nothing to call home about. The earbud design is a bit fiddly and hard to get out of the case and place inside your ears. But by far the worst thing about the Pixel Buds Pro is the current state of the software, which presents a variety of problems on a daily basis, and the longer I use them, the more issues seem to crop up. Coming from a software giant, this is inexcusable. The good thing is that many of the issues can be fixed through software updates while also improving performance along the way. But until that happens, I would recommend going with the WF-1000XM4 or even the older Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, which are heavily discounted these days.